Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 107 of the Back to the Future Delorean and some sticky tape. Get rid of that. This issue we are doing stuff. We're putting the framework onto the flux tubes. I can't remember the flux coils. Like we did around the front bumper, but this is a bit more complicated, it's a bit more shaped, but still fun. So we've got the tubes in there. We're going to put these plastic and metal grills over the tops of them, just like that, nice and easy. Will be done in no time at all. Again, not much looking at in the magazine, just old George. Yeah. And then next time, obviously, same again on the other side. So let's clear this out of the way and let's put some grills on. Right, so here we are. We've got these 4 plastic pieces to put in, and then the metal grills to go over the top, held in place with a combination of the AP and IP screws. So let's have a look. We're going to need to get these on first. So we've got a choice of pieces. The first one goes on the top, and then that joins onto it. It connects together like so. It says to do that, and then the other bit. Do they join up together? I think they do. So yeah, we'll do it as it says. Make sure these tubes are in the grooves where they need to be. How many of the grooves am I going to have to worry about at the moment? I'm going halfway along here, so I need to get it in there as well. So we get that one, and that one in there. And sort of hold that in place while we get these in place. At the end of that, we'll locate into there. That goes over there, that goes over there, and that goes over there like so. Then we need to use both hands to get the metal outer pieces together. We're going to be using, obviously all of them eventually, curvy ones for the curvy bits, straight bits for the straight bits. One of these is one end is the other. We can see by the instructions, or we can just see that that is not going to join up there because there's no matchy bit. But that one will, the shorter one of the two, will go across the top. So we'll just remove that from there by gentle twisting. That will pop off the end bit. There we go. So the end of that gets sort of jammed in there, and then we've got screws in all of those locations. Now I can't do this and film at the moment anyway, so I shall get that done. Basically I'll get the first half of it done, and then we'll work on the second half in a moment. Yep, there we go. That's half of it in and screwed in. It is easy to figure out. The IP screws go through where there is no bracket, and the AP where there is a bracket, because they're a little bit longer, they go through metal and plastic into the plastic bracket. So that's that, nice and easy there. Next up, I've just got to do the same around the rest of it. So we've got to put that on there, attach that around there, that underneath around there, with the remainder of this on there. So it won't take very long. I say this, I'm pointing off camera. The other couple of bits of the photo etch type thing. So yes, I shall get that done and then show you the finished item. And there you go. That is that. That looks lovely. If nothing else, it's now screaming Back to the Future. Before it was just Delorean with some wires on it, but this really makes it come home, doesn't it? I like it. I like it a lot. I do like this part of the build where everything is just like screaming time machine. So yeah, that is that. I shall be back next time to do the same again on the other side. Now again, I won't be filming very much of it, but you can see what happens, and I'll show you the parts and everything again. Anyway, so thank you very much for watching. I hope you're enjoying it. Stick around for more very, very soon, and I will see you for that. Bye bye for now.